Hi, I'm João from Technoloje, and today I'm going to be discussing a very important aspect on any home control and home automation system: aftercare and maintenance. So aftercare and maintenance provide a very crucial aspect in guaranteeing that your home control system offers you peace of mind. Let's take luxury cars, for example. They require regular maintenance to guarantee they perform at premium levels. With an engine like this, you prioritize keeping it in perfect condition. The same principle applies in the technology solutions installed in your home. Likewise, you should maintain your home automation system, the rack, and everything connected to it. With Technoloje's Casa Care solutions, clients can rest easy in knowing that their network and home automation system is being maintained in peak condition. Casa Care has two monthly plans available, a standard and a premium, so please contact us for more information.